back to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack. This is GasDiesel Garage. In today's episode, today is prank day. So stay tuned. And of course, if I'm going to do a prank, it's got to be mechanically and technically sound. And keep that word in mind. Sound. So to do this prank, I'm going to need 3 Duracell batteries, C batteries. Then I'm going to need 2 sirens or silencers or whatever you want to call it, squeakers. Yes, it's going to be pretty loud. And we're going to do one a little further. We need a proximity sensor. Yeah. Let's go ahead and put this thing together. First thing I need to do is take all 3 of these batteries, and then I need to tape them up so it's going to be one. Now that we got our battery source, we want to make sure that it's got enough voltage to power those 2 sirens. Of course, we got to check it with a multimeter. So, got your positive, your negative. Okay, we got about almost 5 volts. Now that's pretty good for what we need to be able to do what we need to do. Power source, good to go. Next up are the sirens, both of these. I could just do one siren, but what's the fun in that? We need this thing to be loud. So we're going to take both positives and tie those together, and then both negatives, tie those together. Next, I'm going to place my 2 sirens right here on the battery. I'm going to zip tie these to my battery so I can have it all in one little package here. Next thing we need to do, we need to secure the ground wire right there with tape, of course. There we go. Now, why am I going to use a door sensor? Well, a door sensor is a pretty cool little gadget because it'll ground out with the use of a magnet. See, when you open the door, the circuit's not complete. But when you close the door, circuit's complete, then all the stuff will work. But I'm going to wire this in a way that it's going to stay on all the time until you actually either close the door or close a toilet seat lid maybe, or I don't know. Trust me, this little contraption is going to be used in a few different pranks. Wonder who the first victim is going to be. Now, how I'm wiring this sensor in is it's going to go on the positive side. So we take our positive side right there. Let's just test it out just for giggles. Let's put it right there. Headphone users, beware. That sounds very annoying. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. I think I just pissed off my neighbor, but it's okay. It's all good. Let's just go ahead and wire this thing on up. I know it's looking something like a stick of dynamite, but I promise you, it's not a stick of dynamite. Hopefully I don't get demonetized for this.
water bottle test.
Definitely made me realize that this is why I'm acting psycho. So I was very remorseful for doing that. Like,
is that your water?
yeah, it wasn't okay. Like I said, even the hormones, regardless of being pregnant, that didn't excuse it.
Yeah, obviously it was triggering, but
Are you gonna drink it?
It might leave a water right there.
Yeah.
You know,
Might
and we can reflect on it and talk about it, but at the end of the day, we're kind of moving forward from it.
I will say throughout the process of it was so intense that it kind of hit
What
me
is it?
in a different way.
What is it?
My anxiety just went through.
Haley, what is that?
Roxanne, no, it went through the roof. I just didn't think
What
it
is
would
that?
be that